Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, that's done. You. JK. Ano? Happy birthday, Manang Driver. Thank you
Manang,
for the
yeah.
McDo.
And
the
your for
pizza.
money. Actually, we're friends because of your money. Joke.
No, JK. Happy birthday. Wait,
Birthday.
why don't you have a debut? Should have a debut. I belong to the 18 candles. 18 treasures. She's going to give you a carrot. Yes. So, kanang happy birthday and we wish you all the best. And you still owe us pizza with squishy. And you said, ngayon mo may dalon sa mall ball.
Road trip.
Yeah.
You lied to us. Goodbye.
Okay, so we felt bad for ending the previous video too soon. So we're here to make another video and kanang, yeah, it's your fault. You
It's
made
your
us
fault.
feel bad for not kanang having us a road trip. And you went to Oslo with Kuya Rap Rap. So unfair. But anyway, this is a happy video because it's your birthday. So seriously, no push that. Happy birthday, Kuya Chuck.
Birthday.
I am Chuckster. Chuck Palang. Welcome to Twitter. Yeah, so we wish you all the best. There is the life in your career, your everyday life, in your physical, healthy lifestyle life,
Yes, and you can't wait.
and your love life. Yeah, because how old are you? You're old.
Yeah.
You're old enough to be our uncle. Joke. Yeah, so happy birthday, Ketchup. And we're going to send this to you later, June 12, 2013. Happy Independence Day.
Yay.
Bea. Who are we from?
Magellan.
Magellan. So yeah, happy Independence Day and happy birthday in advance because we're going to send it to you later. And see you tomorrow, 4 o'clock to CIT Backgate.
Yes, don't forget.
And bring us pizza.
Pizza, okay?
Yeah,
And
take care.
take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Pizza.